stars lining up to see her.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daizshanaemarie, and today we are going to be doing a Beekman 1802 haul. The very first thing I got was this kindness mug. It is actually a lot bigger than what I thought, like seeing it online. Then I got these goat ears. This is like the softest material ever. This is actually my second pair. And then I also got these reusable eye masks. I've been using them and I'll also use them at the end of this video. And then this goatee pen, I actually applied it to the bag and it was so cute. Then I got the Milk Mud Warming Clay Mask. This, I actually got 2 of them because I really love this product. It comes with a spatula, so then you're able to scoop everything out without having to dip your hands inside of the container. I am part of their affiliate program. I actually got a coupon for most of these products. At the very beginning, those goodies were part of their welcome gift. If you would like to join, I'll have the link down below. Then I got the Milkshake Toner. This toner is actually like my 4th bottle. Like, it is so freaking good, and I'll explain why towards the end of this video. The next thing I got is actually something new. I've never tried their body washes or lotions, and I just figured the packaging is super cute and I could get some new body wash. I also got this travel bag, which I just checked, they don't have it on their website anymore. They only have the white one now. As I mentioned earlier, I am an affiliate with Beekman 1802. You get coupons every 3 months and you get an affiliate code where you can earn a commission. I absolutely love being a part of this team and you should definitely sign up. Hey guys, so as you saw, I just did a little unboxing, but I also wanted to just use the products. Sorry about my hair, like I put my hair in braids so that I can do a braid out, so like please ignore that. I have this like headband, and this is actually like pretty thick. So like pull it back a little bit more so then you can see my full circumference. I actually don't have any eye gel, so I'm going to be using the Dieux. This is their reviving eye gel, and then I'm going to go in with the kindness mask. When you're putting on like the mask, you're wanting to like have that extra pump of product so then it can really hydrate your under eyes. Like, this is not the normal amount that I would use. And like that just like really suctions it up in my opinion. Like, I can't look down. I think I have it up too high. There we go, that's better. These are really good because they're reusable, meaning like you can just rinse them off. You can actually customize what type of like under eye skincare you want to do, so that's kind of cool. So that's done. Now I'm gonna go in with the Milk Mud Warming Clay Mask. This, okay, so I said it's like $50, but it's been on sale for like a hot second. So I would actually kind of like go and get this, but if it's not on sale, I have a discount code, you guys. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. I do have a discount code. So this, it comes with like a spatula and everything, and it kind of has like, it has beads in it a little bit, and so like when you go to rinse it out, you can really exfoliate your skin. The only thing about this, I wish it was a little bit bigger so then I don't have to like apply with my hand, if that makes sense. Let me tell you about what I experienced, and then I'll go into what it claims like on the website and everything. So first, like when I apply it, it has so it's a warming mask, right? But it's not necessarily like burning. Like, it does just warm up a tad bit. When I first applied it, I noticed it like a lot because I was like, oh, this is like a little bit different. Oh my gosh, like my hair is looking so crazy. You guys don't judge me. Now applying it, I don't really notice it that much. Like it just feels like normal to me, in my opinion. When I go to wash it off, I like to rub in and get that exfoliating like beads all throughout my face, and it just makes my skin so smooth. I like to rinse it off with warm water. I think that's basically it. I don't really, there's not really a scent to it. I'll double check. There's like, it smells like natural. It's not an added fragrance in my opinion. It literally smells like something from nature in my opinion. This has goat milk, hence the name Milk Mud. It has proteins and it helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It has fatty acids that's for hydration and softer skin. Just like I said, it makes my skin feel super smooth. Same thing, it has like the AHA and lactic acid, and that's actually with like texture and everything. And then there's 17 vitamins and minerals. Vitamins A and C helps with protecting and nourishing your skin, and the amino acids is for a healthy skin barrier. You can leave this on for 5 to 15 minutes. Me personally, I just leave it on until I want to rinse it off. It also says you can leave it on spot areas for an overnight mask. I did not know that. Also, with these eye masks, I think I got these more from like the PR side of it, as like being an affiliate, because I looked on their website. I don't see these on their website anymore. So like, I think it's just part of their like welcome gift. So if you guys would like to become an affiliate, you can sign up. I'll have it linked down below. But this, leave on for 10-20 minutes. That's why I put these on together, and then rinse off, and then apply your moisturizers and everything. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few more minutes, and then I will be back when I rinse everything off. Okay, I'm back, and you know how I said that I don't really feel the warming sensation? I still do. I feel it more when I rinse it off. And yeah, like I really feel it around my lips right now. I don't know if that's because like my lips are a little bit chapped, or what, but yeah, you can definitely still feel it. I think I just recall when I first applied it, I could tell immediately like it was giving a warming sensation. But this is what my skin is looking like, and it is just so smooth to the touch. Like I freaking, like it feels like I put lotion on, but I literally didn't. Next, we are gonna go into my favorite product from Beekman. Like, this is really good, but this is my number one. This is the Milkshake Toner. It is hyaluronic acid and squalane facial toner mist. It minimizes pores, hydrates, and soothes skin. This, okay, the pore situation, I don't think I even have really like that deep of pores, if that makes, like, I don't know, but I like this because it literally gives me such a nice glow, and it just makes me feel super hydrated. I do want to mention though that the miniature version and the larger version, the sprayers are a lot different. So this one, it feels like it goes into a circle rather than like the bigger one, it feels like it goes into a dome. A cone, dome, if that makes sense. So like it goes in the middle out, but this one only goes around and then like is blocking, something's blocking the middle. So like I don't really like this one, this sprayer. Yeah, like I can literally see, I don't know if you can tell, but it literally just did a circle instead of a full, ooh, I should start doing that. Oh, that feels so nice. Instead of like spraying all the way through. And look at that instant hydration. I freaking love this product so much. There's two different sections of it. Hydration and toning, right? So hydration has jojoba oil, squalane, and hyaluronic acid. Then in the toning phase, it has mugwort and goat milk. So this can be used many different ways. I literally only use it just for my skin care portion of it. So you can do post gym, use it to wet your makeup sponge after the sun. So like if you're like sunbathing or whatever, you can like cool down your skin. And you can set your makeup and eliminates dryness post cleanse. So yes, this is my favorite product. Apparently, I mean, clinically proven results. It says in 111% increase in hydration after 8 hours, 45% increase in hydration after one use, and 8 hours of hydration. So like, I like it. This is like, if you're only gonna buy one thing, get this freaking toner. Like, this is my freaking favorite. Next, I'm gonna go in with Beekman's Dream Booster. This was also sent to me in PR. Oh no. Oh my gosh, I'm like so out of it that it won't even... Okay, now I have to like tilt it. Ah, that's a little bit too much. So you really just need 1 to 2 drops. So don't ever do it like me. This is way too much. But you can put it on your neck. Because it is a better aging serum. The directions actually say to add this to your cream and like mix it in. For some, like I was doing that. For some reason I just stopped because I don't know if it's because like I decreased the amount of serums and I just wanted to apply it to my skin like I did with my other ones. But I mean, like, just follow the instructions. I think when I restock, I will start following the instructions. Now, to tell you what it does, as you can see, I have a nice glow. Better aging, I'm assuming it helps with wrinkles. I don't have any wrinkles, so like, I don't know. This one, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Bakuchiol, I don't know. It has a gentle retinol alternative, so like instead of retinol you can use this. It has squalane and jojoba oil, so similar ingredients to the milkshake toner. You can get younger looking skin overnight. It treats fine lines. You can use this for daily use, which is good because I have been using it for daily use. It helps clear and minimize the appearance of pores, smooth texture, refined skin, and safe to use while pregnant or breastfeeding. When you're using this product, make sure you're using sunscreen. Same thing with the mask. If you're going to do this before you go outside in the daylight and everything, make sure you're wearing your SPF. Like, you should be wearing SPF all the time. You don't need to wear it at night because SPF's a little bit thick. But yeah, make sure you're wearing your daily sunscreen. My very last step, again, this is not, I don't even think I got this in PR, but I think I got it in like the same like type of haul, like where I had a coupon and I could like shop. This is their Hydrate Moisturizer. I also have their cleanser. I do like that a lot. I have not tried their toner in this line. This I'm actually almost out. So whenever I run out, I will most likely get it, or I might try a different one from them. I like it. It's supposed to help with shine control. I don't really think I have too much shine, other than like the products that I freaking put on my face. This was originally, I think I originally got it for my husband and then I took it. So, whoops. That moisturizer, it does have like some type of fragrance. I don't know if it's like the ingredients. I don't think it's like an added fragrance, but it smells like kind of, it's like on the same page as eucalyptus or tea tree. So it's not like super strong. Look at that skin. And then follow up with SPF. Like I said, it's really only for the daytime. I'm literally past my bedtime. I should be in bed right now. That is my skincare with Beekman 1802. Thank you so much, Beekman, for inviting me to be part of your affiliate program. Like, I freaking love you guys. They literally send so much. It's so nice to like get like the extra goodies. So definitely join. Like I said, I'll have it linked down below. You start off, I think, with a $25 or $50 gift card. Plus you get, like I said, extra goodies, free shipping. I think I just got a coupon for $125 from them, so I'm about to go on another shopping spree. But yeah, I absolutely love the brand, and yellow is actually like, okay, I go back and forth. Yellow was my favorite color. I have a lot of yellow things. It's not my number one favorite color, but it's like my top 5 favorite colors. But yeah, thank you again, Beekman, for sending this all over to me. I really, really, really love you guys. And yeah, now I have this cute little carrying case, and I put the goatee pin on the bag. It's just so freaking cute. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that